Thanks so much. So this season, Flagstaff is the place to be. From all the outdoor activities to their incredible cuisine, this gem of a city along Route 66 truly has something for everyone.
Cool temperatures, breathtaking scenery, and an endless amount of fun to be had. But did you know here at 7,000 feet, it's the cuisine that's really elevated?
The culinary scene in Flagstaff is growing exponentially. We've got some cutting-edge chefs coming up. We've got some great new openings that are happening. Proper just moved downtown. Bricks, Criollo, Salsa Brava, Fat Olives where we are today. And it's a very progressive, new approach to Northern Arizona food.
John Conley is the master behind Fat Olive's wood-fired pizzeria and Italian kitchen.
God, I love Flagstaff. It's a great community. The schools are amazing. The food scene is amazing. We've got the Museum of Northern Arizona. We've got Lowell Observatory, Sunset Crater.
Plus, in this foodie town, there's an endless amount of delectable dishes to be had.
Wipe the smile on your face, the Flagstaff Visitors and Convention Bureau.
Tell me about that.
Come on up. We want you to come, stay a few days, and experience Flagstaff. Like we talked about, the adventure course. We talked about the Museum of Northern Arizona. An amazing food scene. Fat Olives. We were just on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. Salsa Brava, Criollo, Proper, Tinderbox. The list is long, and a lot of new openings, a lot of really great cutting-edge new food coming to Flagstaff. Wow. Today, we're going to do the Belgio Dolce. It's our own house made. It's got shaved Brussels sprouts, soaked in Calabrian chili oil, Molinari sopressata, has a white base. We finish it with pistachio, local honey. It was featured on our Diners and Drivers and Dives.
Can we start making it?
Let's do it.
All right.
Come on over.
And John's award-winning Brussels sprout pizza is one pie you can't pass up.
Now, did Guy Fieri like this pizza?
So he loved this pizza because it's our own. Nobody else is doing this. This won third place at the International Pizza Expo, and we went up against the Italians, the Japanese, the Germans. I mean, it's a global event, and we got a third place on this.
What is the secret to tossing good pizza?
So the secret to tossing good pizza is to get it to this point, grab the edge, and then throw it. There you go. Catch it one-handed. Right one-handed. Oh, try this one. Catch on the back of your hand. Watch, I'll catch on the back of my hand.
Oh, the back of your hand.
There you go.
Okay, great. It's all on the wrist?
It's all on the wrist. There you go.
Oh my God.
It's got cream, butter, Parmesan. It is similar to an Alfredo. We make it a little thicker because it's got to break down in the oven.
And do you like your pizza extra saucy?
I do not. But today, that's what we're going with.
That's what you're getting. I promise you, I won't be making your pizza.
This is going to be delicious.
Okay,
so a little bit of house-made mozzarella.
Add some shaved Brussels sprouts and spicy chili oil. It's time to hit his wood-fired dome oven at a cool 900 degrees.
I've been doing this for 20 years and I'm still learning. This is the most amazing piece of equipment to cook on, and it's the hardest because everything's changing. The heat, the humidity, the wood. So it's always changing. You always have to adapt.
The piping hot, perfect pizza is then finished with a drizzle of local honey and dusting of pistachios. It's a pie along with all of John's incredible dishes that will have you come back for even more smiles.
I think this pizza, you're going to have to wipe my smile on my face.
Wipe the smile on your face. Come to Flagstaff and stay a while.
To find out more information on all the fun things you can do and you can eat, you can log on to flagstaffarizona.org or call the number on your screen, or you can visit the Wipe the Smile on Your Face to get the recipe.